So you're currently running a Discord, right? And you want to manage or block a certain word. I'm gonna walk you through the step. I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to block specific words on your Discord server, right? So how do you do that? Once you're on Discord, guys, go ahead and right click on your Discord server. So you'll find that specific one or the specific Discord, and you want to hover over server settings, and in the list you want to go to AutoMod. Now from here you want to scroll down the list and find block custom words. Now once you click on that, guys, you can add the custom words to it, and it actually shows you and gives you examples of how to actually do that, and it is super easy. So here it says that you can write those words or phrase that you want, and you can separate them by simply using commas, right? Or you can put them in a new line if you so desire, right? And it says for each word, you can use the asterisk at the beginning or at the end or at both ends for partial matching. So you can easily go ahead and make something like that. So if you want to do like a specific word, so I'm gonna make something up, I know, and this is just only for specific purposes. So let's say you don't want people to use the word ass. You can basically type that, and you can put a comma here and space and put in a separate word, or you can just put it into a new line. And let's say you don't want somebody to use this specific word, right? Will not say anything, but you can basically put asterisk here to say anything before that with that word, or you can put it towards the end as well and say you don't want them to use that. Once you're finished, guys, just simply click on save, and that's all there is to it. And you're blocking those specific words there on your Discord server. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.